pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? E hoje eu vim do futuro fazer a introdução do vídeo que a gente gravou ontem, andando aqui por volta de Averøy, que é uma ilha, e na Averøy, onde a minha amiga mora. Então a gente andou de carro aqui em volta, só que eu tava conhecendo tudo, foi a minha primeira impressão, vendo a paisagem, e tava muito frio, ventando muito, então a gente ficou muito mais dentro do carro. Não consegui falar muito, né, durante o vídeo, então eu vou botar as imagens do que a gente viu, da paisagem que a gente viu pra vocês. Eu espero que vocês curtam. Então, bora lá.
모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me but I have to pretend no one cares about me. I'm so lonely. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh,
No, we have, you know, when I built houses in the old days, they always built the house behind like this, you know.
Yeah, so
Because normally the wind is, strong wind is coming from like this. Like this. This is the typical during the winter.
yeah.
The summertime, the wind is coming from north.
Yeah.
But this is a little bit pain in the ass because we cover this cold wind from the north, you know.
Yeah.
That's why we are building this wall in the house to be protected.
Yeah, of course.
To
Yeah.
avoid this cold wind.
We're talking.
O passarinho, ele não consegue voar. The bird can like fly.
We are talking with Evelyn because, like in Brazil, they don't. Normally, they don't think about the position of the house.
No,
they
just beat up.
Yeah, they just build around the road, like facing the road.
Yeah.
That's it. So the houses, our house, for example, our apartment, is too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter because because they don't think about the placement of the house. In here, if you don't think about the placement of the house, you're gonna suffer so much more. So I have to think about it.
But it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
The weather is still so beautiful, but it's scary. Like I don't wanna fall in the water.
Nah, you don't have to be careful. Some how can I say? Maybe some stupid people want to challenge the nature.
Yeah.
Like for example, I want to go there.
Yeah.
Like,
Then I'll take a look. That is coming one way. Take it.
Yeah.
it's okay.
The nature always wins, right? Tem cordinha pra puxar?
It's hail.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Well, still is tough, I can see.
It goes all the way around.
Yeah.
I mean, it's such a beautiful view. I imagine, like in the summer, how many tourists it receives because
Fishing boats and
but I don't imagine any sailboat here.
went pretty much like this.
If you want a Christmas day, I can give you a cup of cocoa. Even if it was cold, babe, don't worry, I'll be there for you. Every night I see you falling down there, baby, you might feel like curtain hiding down there, and so much worries you were holding inside of you. The scars and tears will dry by. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you. I will say that my Christmas stands for you.
Hello?
내가 항상 네 곁에 있어줄 순 없지만 내 안의 생각을 해주길 바래. 눈을 감고 잘 들어봐. 약속해, 늘 여기 있을게. 널 위한 선물 하나 준비했어. 필요 없는 불처럼 근사한 건 아니지만 서툴지만 빼곡한 편지와 snowball. 내 크리스마스 기억해줘. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you. I will say that my Christmas stands for you. Hey, think about the moments we spent. I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Oh, nothing's gonna be any better. I love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. You're the best. you ever